goes gliding down the swirling spiral staircase like a thief. She's got my heart inside a suitcase with the linens and her lingerie to leave. And the stained glass window watching at the bottom of our stair flashes colors all across the cotton dress she wears. Sweet Angelina, I know I cannot hold you. You have left me just as surely as my ring is sold to buy you a ticket on the train. She had placed herself above me like a sniper with her sights trained on my soul. While her finger trembled on the trigger that she hoped she would not have to pull. Though I realized the danger, I feared it in the end. I was drawn to her like a moth is to a flame. I recall that bullet in its flight, the roaring of the rifle as the shot rang out at night. Angeline goes gliding down the swirling spiral staircase like a thief. Got my heart inside a suitcase, her linens and her lingerie she leaves. Though she has no one to turn to, she turned away from me. The lessons that I've taught her have so swiftly set her free. Sweet Angelina's love without a word. The closing of the door was the only sound I heard before she vanished in the dawn. Sweet Angelina, I know I cannot hold you. You have left me just as surely as my ring is sold to buy your ticket on the train. Goodbye, sweet Angelina. Goodbye, sweet Angelina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where is he?